Okay, last of the days here on The Hunger Artist. We've already talked about what it is to be an artist. You know, you've posed, if I was an artist, here's what I'd be. We watched David Blaine a little bit perform his art in London and have read a Hunger Artist story and answered the questions. So for day 3, next thing I want you to do is I will be posting this TED Talk where David Blaine talks about his art and how he feels as an artist and what he's trying to accomplish with his art. Do you consider what David Blaine does? Do you consider it art? There are all different kinds of art. Art is just not art class. There are things called performance art, which is what David Blaine gets into. And that's, performance based. That's not necessarily a painting or music or writing, but actually performing your art. Do you consider that art? So watch that quick little video, his TED Talk on what he thinks. Very interesting young guy. And then here's your reflection for the 3 days. So I want you to read through this little piece here. The life of an artist is very appealing because it permits individual expression. If you had your way, what kind of an artist would you like to be? Write an essay describing your possible achievements and what success would come of them. So I do want you to use a Google Doc. Notice there are some rules to this one. You're going to use your MLA header, 4-line header and title, at least 300 words, please. Ignore, sorry, let me mark that out. Ignore this, right, obviously, and ignore this. Sorry, I didn't get that changed on this before. So this is today's assignment, so obviously do, the next day. I am being pretty lax with all of your due dates, guys. I know you've probably noticed that. There are a lot of times where Google is messing up. The classroom won't download. You can't get a file. You can't get a PowerPoint. You can't submit your assignment. I understand that. That's why I work so early in the morning. I get up at 7 a.m. and I work on putting lessons on and using Google from 7 to about 11. And about 11:30, things slow down. So my advice to you, if you're having trouble, get on there earlier, guys. It's just so much easier. It's so frustrating to sit and watch Google circle the drain for, minutes and minutes and then never get your file too. So do yourself a favor. So please keep up with this work now. You don't want to be at the end of all of this. If for some reason we would not even come back to school at all, I want to be able to know that I passed, you guys, that you passed my class and that you're going to graduate if that's where you stand with, short stories and needing this credit or not. So please, if you're having trouble, reach out to me. I'm here 9 to 3 if you need to Zoom with me, if you need to talk to me about something, one of the assignments or anything, just give me a call, okay? All right. Have a good spring break because this is the last we'll talk to each other until after we're back from spring break. Bye, guys.